down here, a river emerges from a creepy pipe, and as you can see, I am in the middle of a very built up area, and I'm going to be following this river to some hidden waterfalls, which I used to visit as a child. If you do want to visit this place, you have to find transport to get here. You can't come in your own car. I mean, technically you can, but you'd have to park here. And the chance of all of those cars getting stolen is 100%. The river actually doesn't start at the scary looking pipe where I started this video. It starts on the other side of the road at some other scary looking pipes, and it seems to originate underneath someone's house. But I couldn't record there because there was a very dodgy person parked in his car looking at me. It was amazing. It was like we were having a staring competition. He was winning. Hope? Where? Why? Well, I am hopeful that I'm going to be successful at finding my hidden waterfalls. Ah, there we go. I found waterfall number 1. I'm definitely not alone here. But there it is. Number 3. Okay. I'll pick up my shoes on the way back. Look at this. Really nice. And right here in the middle of a built-up area. I need to try and go down there. I couldn't get there. Well, I could have, but there were so many people down there sitting on the rocks and smoking. And I'm not in the mood for socializing, so that's it. That's the only look you're going to get at the first waterfall. If you look carefully, you can see the waterfall through there. Maybe you can see the people as well. It's really nice. It's really pretty. If I was, say, like the president of the world, I would fence off this entire place, make it into a nature reserve, and charge quite a heavy entrance fee, because at least then it would be protected. This whole area has a number of rivers which just come straight out of the ground. Beautiful, but they are not protected, which is so unfortunate. So I guess everyone who lives around here knows about this trail, but I'm quite sure they never come down here because it's so neglected. I see the top of waterfall number 2. I've got a feeling it's going to be occupied. This has been a total failure. These are supposed to be hidden waterfalls. Seems like everyone knows about them. There used to be a fence over here. Oh look, remains of the fence. But now it's very easy just to walk down here, and if you are looking at your phone while walking down here, you might end up walking off the edge, and that is a significant edge. I'm going to try and show you. So there's the river way down there. It's very high. It takes 3 seconds for an object to hit the ground if I throw it from here. So if I could do highly advanced mathematics, I would tell you how high it is. It's probably disappointing. It's probably like 30 meters. I don't know. And still not visible is waterfall number 2. I'm going to try and get down there, but so far this place has been an absolute disappointing mess. This whole area used to be a forest. There were no buildings around here, and I never explored it, unfortunately. I wish I did. Back in those days, things were relatively safe. Yeah, this fence has seen better days. Oh, and beyond all of this is the Kloofendal Nature Reserve. And in the old days it would have been possible to walk through the forest and into the reserve. I don't even think it was fenced in those days. Ah, look here. I have found quite a pleasant part of the trail. It almost looks like I'm out in nature, but I am most certainly not. This poor place, it's very neglected. I'm no expert, but I don't think any of this stuff is meant to be here. The problem is, all the way along the main trail up there are manholes, or as they are called now, inspection entry points, which go down into the sewage system, and they leak, which is, well, just an ongoing theme here in Joburg. And that's what you're seeing there. And I guess when that's occurring, it makes another hidden waterfall, although it would be an unpleasant one. I will be sure to collect my shirt on the way back. I remember this. It's the gateway to the second waterfall. Hello.
How's it?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm also fine.
Good. I used to come down here about 30 years ago.
And it's still the same?
No, it's not.
Oh, there are a few changes.
Yeah, it's just messy now. It's overgrown.
It's like that tranquility, the peace,
Yeah, exactly.
I just went there to take pictures and then
Yeah. I don't know how to get up there though, it's too slippery, I think.
You want to plug?
Yeah, just to the waterfall. What looks like a flat surface from the top is actually at this extreme angle. I'm not going to be able to get to the waterfall for sure. I can just see already that it's going to be too slippery. This is what I would have to walk on. in order to get up there. But look at it. Look how beautiful that is. I'm going to keep on saying this, but I wish this place was protected. I normally use this recorder to record my audio, but I've switched to camera audio because I might get submerged when I try to go in there. Okay. Here we go. Yes, this is a river in a city, so it's probably a little bit polluted, but I'm not so worried because less than a kilometer up there, it bubbles out of the ground. So I probably now have most known illnesses, only most, not all of them though. But it's the slipperiness that's the problem. You see, I can't stand there. I will end up down there. This is about as far as I can go because it's just too slippery. It's impossible to get up there. Maybe in winter when it's dry it might be easier. But look how amazing that waterfall is. Lost the trail. Wait, I think I see it up there. Is that another shoe? Don't ever come here. It's terrible. I met someone and I asked him how to follow the stream down to a road where I used to go, and he said it's not possible anymore. It's been fenced off because there are too many houses that have been built there. So don't ever come here. The hidden waterfalls on this little nature trail, I give this place a I'd want to give it a 0 out of 10, but because that waterfall there is so beautiful, let's give it a 3 out of 10. But just don't ever come here. Don't ever come here. It's terrible. It is possible to access the river further downstream, and that should probably be an adventure for another day. But that is definitely it for today. But what a total fail. But the waterfall was nice. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, just don't come here, ever. Now, as I was saying, I'm no expert, but I think this bird needs urgent medical attention. Ah, yes, of course. Tin. I contacted Elon Musk and asked him to put a fence around this place and protect it. Surely he would do it for me. Unless he finds it too expensive.